Today I am reviewing the KOORUI 25-inch curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Just like the previous review, this script is completely free of headers, section titles, and markdown bullet points, allowing it to stream perfectly on a text-to-speech engine. It is written at a natural, conversational, and highly detailed pace, roughly 600 words, to guarantee it lasts at least 4 minutes when spoken aloud by your TDS software. When it comes to building a great gaming setup, your choice of monitor is arguably just as important as the graphics card inside your computer. After all, what is the point of pushing high frame rates if your display cannot actually show them to you? If you're an esports competitor, a casual gamer, or someone who loves fast-paced action, finding a monitor that balances blazing fast performance with a budget-friendly price can feel like a daunting task. That is exactly where the KOORUI 25-inch curved gaming monitor, model G2511XC, comes into play. KOORUI has been making a massive splash in the display market by offering high-tier specifications without the massive price premium, and this particular monitor is an absolute powerhouse for gamers. The absolute headline feature of this monitor is its staggering 240 Hz refresh rate. If you are currently gaming on a standard 60 Hz or even a 144 Hz screen, stepping up to 240 Hz is an entirely different world. Every single motion on the screen becomes fluid and lifelike. In fast-paced first-person shooters, battle royales, and racing games where milliseconds dictate whether you win or lose, this ultra-smooth gameplay gives you a massive competitive upper hand. Paired with a blazing fast 1 millisecond response time, motion blur is effectively eliminated. Ghosting and trailing behind fast-moving objects become a thing of the past. To ensure everything runs flawlessly, the monitor is equipped with adaptive sync technology. This synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate directly with your computer's graphics card, completely eliminating annoying screen tearing and stuttering, ensuring your gameplay remains butter smooth even when the action gets chaotic. But performance is only half the battle. Visual immersion matters just as much. KOORUI has implemented a 1500R curved screen design on this 25-inch display. This gentle curve curves inward to naturally match the field of view of the human eye. The result is a wraparound visual effect that draws you directly into the center of the action, making your gaming worlds feel vast and deeply immersive. The screen features a crisp full HD 1080p resolution, which is considered the absolute sweet spot for a 25-inch monitor. It ensures that every image is incredibly sharp and detailed without forcing your graphics card to work overtime, allowing you to maximize your frame rates. When it comes to color accuracy and depth, this monitor genuinely surprises for a gaming-focused panel. It boasts a wide color gamut that covers 90% of the DCI P3 color space, meaning you get rich, lifelike, and deeply accurate colors. Combined with HDR10 support, it easily breathes life into vibrant landscapes and cinematic games. Thanks to its impressive 3000:1 contrast ratio, it delivers incredibly deep blacks and brilliant highlights. This means you won't lose your enemies in dark, shadowy corners, and bright explosions will pop off the screen with beautiful intensity. This makes it an excellent dual-purpose monitor, serving perfectly for immersive entertainment, streaming, and creative tasks like video editing alongside your hardcore gaming sessions. KOORUI also built this monitor with everyday versatility and comfort in mind. On the back, you will find modern connectivity options including HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4, making it fully compatible with high-end gaming PCs, laptops, and consoles like the Xbox. If you're someone who pulls marathon gaming sessions or works long hours at your desk, the built-in eye care features are a lifelike addition. The flicker-free technology and integrated blue light filter work together behind the scenes to significantly reduce eye strain and fatigue, keeping your eyes feeling fresh. For physical comfort, the included stand offers a tilt adjustment ranging from -5 degrees to +20 degrees, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle. If you prefer to save desk space, it also features a standard VESA 75 by 75 mm mount, making it incredibly easy to attach to a custom monitor arm or wall mount. To round it all out, KOORUI backs this product with robust customer support, offering a reassuring 1-year warranty on the display panel itself and a generous 3-year warranty on the accessories. Ultimately, the KOORUI 25-inch curved gaming monitor is a phenomenal achievement. It delivers the ultra-premium speed of a 240Hz refresh rate, the immersive depth of a 1500R curve, and vivid, HDR-enhanced color performance into a highly accessible package. If you want to elevate your gaming performance and experience your favorite titles exactly the way developers intended, this monitor is a fantastic investment that will completely transform your desktop experience.